Every student may not need a course, but each and every aspirant definitely needs a mentor to guide them, counsel them, show them the right path so as to crack the RBI Grade B 2023 exam quickly. Hi everyone, my name is Anchit and I am the co-founder of EduTap. With the RBI Grade B 2023 notification now out, I know what you are feeling. Suddenly the syllabus seems large and the time to cover it seems very little. The dream that you have had for quite some time now to see your name in the final list of RBI Grade B officers seems a little harder to achieve than you imagined. Perhaps some of you may even be thinking of giving up on this year's attempt and start your preparation for the next year's exam. But let me assure you that you are not alone. All the feelings that I described above are quite natural, and believe me when I say that the aspirant who will secure All India Rank 1 in this year's exam is also feeling exactly what you are feeling at this time. Let me help you. I am conducting a live workshop where I will be telling you the step-by-step strategy to prepare for RBI exam. I will also be telling you the most important topics that have a very high probability of appearing in the exam. I will also be giving you a day-wise study cum revision plan so that you can complete the entire syllabus and revise it in a time-bound manner. I will also be telling you the best shortlisted sources for each subject, be it phase 1 or phase 2. See, it does not matter whether you are just starting your preparation or have completed a few subjects, whether you are learning from some course or doing self-study, the challenge ahead is enormous. And you will need an experienced mentor to walk with you and guide you along the way. Now there are very limited seats available for this session. Click on the link below and reserve your seat now. And I'll see you on the other side.